Y'all, this wall though. This wall is bomb. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Chick. Before I continue, make sure you're subscribed to me on YouTube and make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok. So guys, the wallpaper that I used for my wall was the new wallpaper Peel and Stick from Amazon. And y'all, literally, I'm so proud of my choice. I went with the right wallpaper because the design is just so fresh. It's just so fresh, so glam. Like, the brick makes it look so elegant. Like, it literally cannot get any better than this. Like, it just can't. It just can't. It's just not humanly possible for it to get any better than this. And honestly speaking, one of the biggest reasons as to why I even chose to revamp my wall was because I was just revamping my entire life last month. Like, I was cutting a lot of people off. I was buying a lot of new things, kind of just doing my own mental level up. So I felt like I really needed to put a cherry on it, and doing this entire wall revamping has made me so happy. I feel so crisp. I feel like I'm sleeping in style, and I just cannot wait for you guys to feel that exact same way after you guys get through your wall as well. Alright guys, so this is one of the rolls that I had left after the job was finished. So for this job, I purchased 5 rolls from Amazon. I kind of just estimated how much I thought I would need. Like, I don't know how I did it. Like, I just saw and I just ordered 5. My general rule of thumb is to order at least 2 or 1 more roll than what you think you would need, just in case anything happens. And the awesome thing with Amazon is that there are free returns, so you have a 30-day window to return, okay? So if you end up not using a roll or having one left over and you don't think you're gonna use it anytime in the future, you definitely can return it. I just like touching it, like, it's so gorgeous. And the one thing that I love the most about it is that it's 3D. So it seems as though the bricks are popping out, like popping out right in your face, but it's just a sticker. Okay, so for this project, you're gonna need your wallpaper, the additional wallpaper toolkit, some energy, some patience, work ethic, and you're also gonna need a ladder if you're dealing with a wall that's higher up. Please do not be cheap. I'm gonna need you to go get that wallpaper toolkit if you're getting that wallpaper, okay? Because y'all, if I didn't use the wallpaper toolkit in my application, I would have been donezo. Like, I could not even imagine doing such a job like this, like such a hefty project, without like a toolkit, like with just my hands. Like, how would that even work? So y'all, get the toolkit, okay? It's all down there in the bio. Alright guys, so I am done talking. So without further ado, let's get right into the video, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step how I got this bomb ass wall so that you could get it too. Enjoy. Alright, so this was my wall before. Yikes, right? I know, huge step up. Alright, so for this installation, I used 5 rolls from Amazon. I just want to give you guys an up-close look on the wallpaper. So gorgeous. First, we're going to align the wallpaper, making sure that it fits into the spot that we are starting from. I recommend starting from the corner. Next, we're gonna peel off the backing so that we can stick the wallpaper. The way that I do it is I start by sticking the corner, and then little by little, I start pulling off the adhesive that's on the back. And then we're about to pull up with the squeegee, you know, get out all of those seams, make sure that our wallpaper is perfect. In your wallpaper toolkit, you're also going to get a seam roller. After you're done applying the wallpaper, you want to just use the seam roller to iron out any kinks that you missed. Okay, so now that we already learned how to install the wallpaper, I'm going to show you how to cut corners or cut the end of the wallpaper when you're done. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to dig your squeegee into the end or the corners of your wall, okay? Just to make sure that the wallpaper is adhered to at the bottom. Then what you're going to do is you're going to cut off the excess wallpaper that you don't need. Make sure you don't cut it exact. Give yourself about 2 inches of wiggle room. After you cut, you're going to grab your box cutter, the one that comes in the toolkit, and you're going to very, very lightly press down into the corner or into the bottom of the wall. Then you just remove the wallpaper that you cut off, and voila, a nice, clean, crisp corner cut. And of course, I don't even need to mention it anymore. Use the squeegee as much as possible, okay? There's no such thing as using the squeegee too much. So guys, here's a tip. For this type of design, you always need to make sure that your bricks are aligned, okay? So the first thing that I do before I even stick is make sure that the wallpaper that I'm putting aligns up with the wallpaper brick design that's next to it. So there's a small piece at the top that I had to skip over because the bricks just were not matching. And I'm very particular about making sure that the bricks match. So what I did was I just skipped over that part, and I'm just going to go back in later with any scraps and fill that in. So now I'm applying the wallpaper, and I'm starting from where the bricks align. Remember, not from the top. So y'all, the one thing that I love the most about this wallpaper is that it is so forgiving. You literally can mess up, peel off the wallpaper, and start again as many times as you want without the wallpaper sticking. That's like, I love that so much about the wallpaper. Hi guys, hello, just popping in. How you guys doing? How you guys liking the video? Good? You liking it? Of course. I'm glad that you liked the video, okay? But I just was popping in just to let you guys know that you still have not subscribed to your girl. You still have not subscribed to your girl, okay? And I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button right now, okay, sis? So that we can be besties and so that you can join Cheat Crew, okay? So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button if you are enjoying this content. And also make sure you guys follow me on the gram as well as Tik-Tok. Alright, y'all, so now I have to use the wallpaper on this little rectangle. So the first thing that I did was I measured the width of the rectangle. I know this is like a cutting tool, and I measured out this portion of my wall to be 32.5 centimeters. So now I just want to cut it this way. You know what I mean? Like, so that it like perfectly fits in here. But like, I'm just trying to figure out the best way to cut it straight because you guys already seen how I cut this one with the scissors. So I'm not the best at free cutting. And I know that this tool in the kit is like for cutting, but I just don't know how to use it. Like, I literally cannot work it. So we're gonna figure it out so that we can make this perfect cut, okay? Alright y'all, so I just cut out my square. I found the matching bricks for this little section over here. And this is it right over here. guys, thank you so much. If you watched the entire video and used it for your wallpaper installation process, wow, I love you so much. Please let me know down below what you think about this wallpaper installation. Let me know if you would want to try it on your own room. And if you do, make sure you guys please tag me on Instagram with it. Like, please, I want to see it. I literally cannot find the words to just express how amazing and how beautiful, dope, gorgeous, stylish this wall is. Like, this is the best coins that I have ever spent on Amazon this year, okay? And I buy from Amazon every day, okay? So that says something.